ऐसे दिल्ली मेट्रो की याद आ रही है। More than over 60 live beer gardens.
अरे वाह, 60 भालू का गार्डन।
And he's expecting me to laugh, like seriously. Mostly it's money. But he has got also like few multivitamins. Look at the clown. Because I can see people climbing up there on top. Oh, that's statues.
हेलो मिस। तेरा ध्यान किधर है, ये तेरा हीरो इधर है। पलाट।
So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Munich. One more time we are together and we are going out to explore the city because this is a city of beer, church, museum, you name it, and it has it all. So Sunny, what is the plan? Would you like to share it with us? A quick plan.
Quick plan is we're gonna go to the city, we're gonna eat something, and we're gonna show what we're gonna eat.
And also we are going to the train station for now so that we can spend more time in exploring the place instead of in traveling. So let's go. So while we were walking to the train station, I thought why not we speak a bit about Munich more. So Munich is located in the very southern part of Germany. Although it's not a capital city, but it's like a very commercial trading capital because a lot of business happens from this part of Germany. And I am so excited because I can't remember the last time I came to Munich and explored the city, and the city has become even more special because of my baby. Let's go to the train station, let's see what is there, and we shall keep you posted.
या तो मुझे तो बहुत भूख लग रही है अभी, तो एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ स्टेशन में बहुत फेमस चीज़ है, वहाँ पे फ्राइज मिलते हैं, बहुत बढ़िया फ्राइज मिलते हैं, तो वहाँ पर फ्राइज खाया जाए। चलो।
So I have not tried it, but Sunny has told me that he has. So let's see how it is, and we're just gonna try the fries. So guys, here is our fries, which looks yum and delicious because we both were starving. I know. I hope, naam bade aur darshan chote wala scene na ho. But it looks nice, so we will just quickly have it on the way and let's go to the city.
Let's go.
I wanted to say something very important, I forgot.
क्या?
I can't remember. Yes, the ticket cost us from München OST to the central Marienplatz is 3.30 euros, so which is pretty affordable. And in the public places you have to keep the mask on, so just bear with us, please. Marienplatz, okay, thank you. We have got into the metro and now we are just trying to figure out. ऐसे दिल्ली मेट्रो की याद आ रही है मेरे को. Baby, it's here. Marienplatz. You can go, yeah. So 4 stops. So let's go. So we have reached Marienplatz and now we are just exiting from the train station. Can't wait to see the city. Feels like it's the first time for me, honestly. How about you? But he remembers it.
I remember, I came here so many times, so I remember the city.
But I'm excited. Guys, the moment we stepped into the city, this beautiful church was right in front of us and we are literally captivated by it. It's so damn beautiful. And I think we will get inside. So, because I can see people climbing up there on top. So, I think we're gonna be one of those as well. Hey, no, that's not people, that's statues. Wait, let me show them. I really thought it's like people standing here. But actually those are statues anyways.
म्यूनिक के बारे में एक बात बताऊं?
बताइए।
तो म्यूनिक में
जी
क्या फेमस है बताओ? जर्मनी में चलो क्या फेमस है?
बियर एंड वाइन।
कौन सा बियर? भालू बियर?
नहीं, पीने वाला बियर. एक्चुअली वो पीने वाला भी नहीं है. यहाँ पे दे कंसिडर बियर एज अ फूड.
ओ फूड,
Yes.
तो वो तो लेकिन खाते हैं या पीते हैं?
फूड तो खाते हैं, तो that's what I'm saying. It's the part of their tradition. And I think in Munich we have more than over 60 live beer gardens.
अरे वाह, 60
तुम्हारे
भालू
लिए
के
तो
गार्डन। ओ पीने
थर्ड
वाले
क्लास में ऐसे
गार्डन।
जोक मारते थे and he's expecting me to laugh like seriously.
तो जोक मारा रे, ये हंस रहे हलकट हंस।
को पता है यहाँ पे अक्टूबर फेस्ट होता है? अक्टूबर फेस्ट के बारे में पता है
अरे
कुछ?
यार दिल ही टूट गया मेरा तो सीरियसली।
सोचा था यहाँ पर आएंगे, अक्टूबर फेस्ट होगा, बट वो कोरोना बाबा की जो है वो
करोना बाबा की पराजय हो।
हाँ, तो कोरोना बाबा ने हमारे सारे प्लान कर दिए हैं खराब।
एग्जैक्टली।
तो अक्टूबर फेस्ट तो हो गया है कैंसिल, तो देखते हैं हम क्या करते हैं अभी।
बट नेवर लूज होप, है ना? जो किस्मत में लिखा है वो तो मिलना ही है। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट मोर वी कैन एक्सप्लेयर। हाँ हाँ
एक्सप्लेयर। जिस याद आया तो उस दिन अभी जब बोला था दैट्स वाई की बजाय मैंने बक दिया था दैट वाई।
इट्स लाइक दैट वाई।
तो अभी क्या हुआ थोड़ी देर पहले? कर्मा
Karma is a bitch.
कर्मा इज अ बिच बट यू आर अ विच।
Oh. If you can see this church right on top of me, we are going to get inside this church, and if they allow us, we will try to record. But this looks beautiful. Our experience in the church was beautiful. We had such great time. It was very peaceful, soothing and calming, and we both enjoyed and had great time there. And now we are going to explore another part of the cities. Let's see what it has, what more we can grab. So yes, let's see. I'm just going crazy with this cute little shops. Do you all see this? I don't know what to do with it, but I just want to have it. Oh, it's crazy. Look at those jute bags, baby. That ugly imitation I've never seen. You suck. The most unique thing about this place, forget beer and everything, they have so many breeds of flowers. Like it's full of flowers and nurseries and
सुबह उठती है, सबसे पहले प्लांट की फोटो लेगी, फिर ब्रेकफास्ट की फोटो लेगी, बस यही काम है, प्लांट 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 प्लांट। ना घर को जंगल बना दो।
such holy sound of church bells.
साउंड है ना,
It's so pure, like it's amazing, it's amazing. And as usual, our restaurant hunt has begun. So, Sunny को खाना है street food, मुझे खाना है ऐसा कुछ बैठ के अच्छा सा कुछ खाना है. So, we are trying to find the middle way out, like you know, जिसमें इसका भी purpose solve हो and मेरा भी. So, let's see. But so far, we are looking for open restaurants. We found a lot, but there was no space and you know, like social distancing stuff. So yeah, let's see to this local street shop where we're going to have our like selection of some meat, some vegetarian courses. But the most important part is a local beer. So we got like different varieties, and yeah, we will show you what we are doing. What we are doing. What we are drinking. Sorry, I'm already drunk before a drink. So yeah. Oh my god, I have lipstick all over, no? You're not even telling me. Look like a clown.
तो जैसा मैंने बोला था, जर्मनी आया, बियर नहीं पिया, आज जर्मनी आए।
तो वही वाली बात हो गई।
Cheers.
Cheers. So we are done with our lunch cum, dinner cum, brunch cum, whatever you want to call, but we are full. And
So full.
I know. He ate my portion as well. So मतलब खाया पिया पचाया now. And since we are full, we are full of energy. We are trying to explore the area around now again because we have come off to the different area altogether. So we will just see nearby how things are. You can see the beautiful city behind me. and then I will show you something very special related to shopping. So stay tuned. We have come to this very beautiful park place. It's like a walking ramp, and we will just take a walk to remember. If you remember the book and the movie.
I remember the book and I remember the walk. And
Yes.
Yeah, movie
That's-
already we are making.
Yes, this is our movie. So yes, we're just gonna take some evening romantic walk because it's getting very cold, and then we will go to DM. Now, what is DM? It's a very popular, actually.
Direct message.
Shut up! Not that Insta direct message. Oh yeah. No, not that. It's a shopping chain in Germany, but in certain part of Europe, it's still like it offers you amenities, toiletries, etc.
7-Eleven की तरह.
No.
उसकी तरह नहीं.
Even better version of that. Like they have got like lot of brands in it, like hair products, skin products. So yeah, so we're just gonna go and dig in our luck if we find something substantial there. Guys, ये इतनी काम की जगह है ना. It has so many stuff like, and look at the price. It's in cents. And I take it every day. So I'm so going to buy it. And look at Sunny. He is also very relaxed, sitting and looking for his stuff.
ये इतना सामान 10 मिनट में ले लिया इसने. 10
It was like a go fetch. So I just
minute
felt, I think mostly it's mine only. But he has got also like few multivitamins.
सिर्फ multivitamin.
So guys, that's it for Munich trip, and I hope you did enjoy this video. And अगर video यहाँ तक देखा है फिर भी like और subscribe नहीं कर रहे हो तो फिर it's not fair. Please do comment. No, what did we say?
Like, share, subscribe,
Comment. If you have any sort of feedback, feel free to write to us. We are at @1_stop_page.
Page.
Ciao, hasta la vista. See you in the next video.
Bye bye.
आजा वे नैनो शॉपिंग करा दे रिक्वेस्ट आ पाया वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे